Yo, what's going on, Facebook world? Hey, Lamar Adams here. I'm so excited about this new campaign that I'm getting ready to go and launch right now because this thing I truly believe is going to set 2019 off right. Because I personally believe that 2019 is going to be the year of the millionaire. And it's all going to be thanks to Forex. So to get it kicked off, to get it started off right, I am personally starting a campaign, a 60-day to a milli campaign. And I'm going to show you and I'm going to tell you exactly how. All right. So go ahead, do me a favor, like, share, and tag this to anyone you know that might be ready and interested, because the campaign that I'm doing right now is something that is unprecedented. It is unprecedented, and I'm going to be breaking it down exactly how this is going to be accomplished, how you're going to be equipped to do it, and what it is going to mean not only for you, but for your family as well. So like, share, and tag this broadcast, ladies and gentlemen. With that being said, many of you already know me. My name is Lamar Adams. I am an avid Forex trader here in the Atlanta, Georgia area. And for a while now, I've been doing this for about going on 2.5 years now, and I have seen the power of trading Forex. But there's always been one thing missing, one key thing missing that can set people off in the right direction. And I believe it's one of the things that most people say. It's just like when you're building a house, right? When you're building a house, one of the things that you often you need a construct, you need a plan. Because it's not enough just to get the tools. It's not enough just to get, know how to do it. You need a plan. If you don't have a plan, eventually it's not going to be built right. It's not going to fail. You're not going to have the fail safes or anything that is needed to send you off in the right direction, especially when it comes to the world of trading, especially when it comes to the financial arena. So what I've went in and I did is I've constructed a structured day-by-day trading plan that's exclusive to those who come into this arena, who are willing, dedicated, and focused enough to put their mind into what they are doing. Now, what I've already done, I've already made up another trading plan with the group that I'm with, and it has phenomenal success. All right. I'm already receiving breaking 6 and 5 figures before the year's even done with. So I know it works. And so what I'm doing for you, my Facebook Live family, is that I'm putting forth a campaign. Because I believe 2019 is going to be the year of a millionaire, and it's not going to take much to do it. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm getting ready to launch, like I said, a 60-day to a milli Forex campaign. Now, what does that mean? It means 60 days. Listen to me. 60 days of hard work, dedication, plugging in is going to help someone break the bank and take Red Lobster money, which is $100, and multiply it in the foreign exchange market with the right mentorship, tools, and education into $1 million. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. You heard that right. With the right education, tools, and mentorship that will be provided to you, you are going to be able to take $100 and within 60 days, multiply it over and over and over again to, by the end of 60 days, it's going to be well worth over $1 million. Mathematically proven. But I understand, for most people, seeing is believing. Now, for most people, you already know, I'm with a company called iMarkets Live, all right? We teach and we train people how to be in the foreign exchange market, how to trade, how to watch all that stuff. And now what I have done is that I have released a trading plan. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Because once I show you the simplicity of it, you are going to be saying, oh my God, where was this all my life? I need to get started. So let me go ahead and show you this. All right. This is my 6-day trading plan. As you see right here, this is day 1, day 60. Day 1, day 60. Now, this thing is exclusive. I'm not even going to show you the steps. I'm just going to show you the proof in the pudding. Day 1, should you decide to become a partner with me and iMarkets Live from Rich University, I will be sending you this exclusive trading plan, showing you how you can multiply $100. That's your initial deposit. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing more, nothing less. $100. And every day, you will have a specific growth rate. A specific growth rate. Now, why do I have a growth rate? Because if your money's not growing, it's stagnant. And I believe in this day and age, we are tired of stagnant money. We get that already from where we work at. I mean, think about it for a second. You go to work, you pay your bills, your money's not growing. It's just leaving your hand like a water coming out of a faucet. It's not growing. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to take only $100 and you're going to make that sucker grow. And it's not going to take a lot to do it, ladies and gentlemen. All it's going to take is 5 trades in the market. 5. Going up to a specific price point, specifically 20 price points in the market. And your account daily is going to grow by this specific amount. As you can see here, the first 10 days is 10%. Now, this is going to be almost indigenous because it's not going to take up all of your time, because I do understand you got lives. Some of you got kids, you got families, you got stuff that you got to do. So you may not have enough time to sit and indulge inside of learning the market, but you can copy and paste. You can press and send stuff. You know, you do it all the time on Facebook. So what this all entails is just a few minutes of your time, whether it's in the morning or it's afternoon or evening. And you're going to be doing it for a period of 5 days. A 5-day trading period. So you ain't got to do it all week, just 5 days. And then once you do that, you let the market take care of itself. Now, this is exclusive to those who decide to become partners with me and decided that they want to learn how to multiply their money, because I'm going to show you something. To get involved, it is $195. That's to get the trading, the education, the tools, plus the plan. But I'm going to show you how this plan is going to cover the cost of your tuition. Now, remember, I told you that this consists of 5 trading days. That's the average trading days, right? 5 times 4 is 20. So you're probably saying, I can foot it the first part, but what about the second part? I don't have, the part to maintain my subscription, which is $161.50 a month. No problem. Let's go down to day 20. Remember, that's 4 trading days. That's 5 trading days, 4 weeks. 4 times 5 is 20. Ladies and gentlemen, I've already pre-calculated. Let me show you right here. As you can see here, 161.50 already deducted out and calculated from your profits that you've earned from trading using this plan. And you still got money to trade with. Now, this is month 1. At month 1, after trading 5 trades, going up to 20 price points, or in traders' term, 20 pips, you're getting $1,028.46. Now you're probably saying, but what about risk? What about risk? You know, the market is not always going to go in your favor. I already covered risk. Tell me something. Would you be able to risk? And let's just go to day 20. To gain $36.83. Would you be willing to risk 2% of your account, which would be $20.57? That's a 2-to-1 ratio. 2-to-1. I believe that's a sustainable risk that you can put yourself in and still come out on top. Because let's just say you only catch 15, you're well over 1,000. So guess what, ladies and gentlemen? You still win. Okay? So let's continue on. This is month 1. Trading month 1, you're up to 1,000. Let's go down to trading month 2. That's 40 days. 40 days in. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? 40 days. That's 40 trading days. 2 months. You've already accumulated what some people would make in a year. Let me say that again, ladies and gentlemen. At a growth rate that pretty much dwarfs what your bank would give you, what most stockbrokers are doing. You're already at $39,267 and what, 33 cents? And look at this. Look what you're risking. To gain $7,853, you're only risking $942.42. Is anyone really worried? Oh, and you've already taken out your subscription. I don't think anyone will be worried. If you lose $9,000, but you're already making $3,900, I don't think that's something that I'd be afraid of. Now that's month 2. Now this is with wins and losses, not just wins, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm a realistic person. I do realize I've been trading for well over 2 years now, so I do realize that with trading in this market, there are going to be some good days, there are going to be some bad days. But this number right here, ladies and gentlemen, it means that even if all of your trades, let's just say you had a blunder and you sat on your phone, even if all your trades went bad, you still bagging more than what most people make. Point said. Now, let's go down to the last 20 days. The last 20 days. At the end of day 60, at the end of trading day 60. Now with the tools that will be at your disposal, both signal, education, and mentorship, at the end of day 60, you will have grown that measly little $100 to well over $1,254,300. The number speaks for itself. Ladies and gentlemen, what I'm literally showing you now, exclusively live here on Facebook Live, is your way out of debt. What I'm showing you here now is your way to live your lifestyle dream. This could put some parents in a better place. Mom, dad, this could pay for your kids' college so they ain't got to live the nightmare that you and I are probably living through of living with college debt. You could do this for someone who's getting ready to go to college and already have their scholarship, their tuition put away before the school year ends in well over 3 months. It's possible, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, this plan has been mathematically proven. With the group that I'm with right now, I already have a lady right now who's already broken the $100,000 mark. Trading. And you can hear them say it time and time again. It was well worth it. Now the time to decide is on you. I can provide you with the tools. I can get you access to the education and the mentorship that you need to make this plan possible, to make this a reality. And I'm giving you the roadmap. I am literally giving you the mathematical roadmap. 60 trading days to living and having a better 2019. So here's my question, ladies and gentlemen. What are you going to do? Are you going to give yourself a chance? Or are you just going to sit on the sideline? Because I guarantee you, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to post it here on my page. I'm going to post the testimonies of people saying, hey, in 60 days, I paid off my car. I paid off my car note. I'm living in a house that I want to live in. I'm doing the things that I want to do. And it didn't take me a whole bunch to do it. Oh, and as an added kicker, you're still learning the skill set. So while you're trading, you're learning. And with the organization that I'm with, we have a plethora of teachers and mentors who is able to break it down. I can pretty much guarantee almost elementary style level. So all excuses are out. So now the question becomes, are you going to qualify yourself or are you going to disqualify yourself from doing something that could potentially change the course of your life? I'm giving you the roadmap right here. And that's just the skeleton part. I didn't even go into the details of how you're going to do it. You can learn that once you become a partner. Once you become a teammate. I myself, along with other traders, whether you're here in the Atlanta area or wherever you are, I can pretty much guarantee you're going to have someone who's going to have some experience who'll be there with you. So what are you going to do? I'm giving you a roadmap from taking $100 in 60 trading days to a little over $1 million. Only I have access to this trading plan. Only I have that, and those who are part of my group. The only way to get this information is you must take that first entrepreneurial step to deciding I want a better future. Is it worth me plugging in that $195 to become part of an exclusive group of men and women who are learning how to multiply money in the foreign exchange market? Because I can pretty much guarantee you right now, ladies and gentlemen, this market has made more millionaires than the stock market has ever made, than flipping houses has ever made. And it doesn't take a lot. It just takes consistency and dedication. Most people aren't even going to be able to dream about that amount. Will you put yourself in the driver's seat? If you like what you saw, you know where to find me. Let's make the end of 2018 the best 60 days of our lives, and let's make it to where 2019 is the year of the millionaires. I just showed you the roadmap. Are you going to qualify yourself to get the tools and the education? The choice is up to you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lamar Adams. I appreciate you giving me your time and attention. And I want to see all you guys at the top, because being at the bottom is way too crowded. Let's get it. Get with me, get the plan, get the education, get the tools. Let's start trading, and let's start making our money work for us. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you at the top.